Hi everyone, welcome to an episode of Root Cultures. In this week's episode, we're going to talk about Cephalotus, repotting, how to clean, propagation tips, and what to expect after repotting. There are a couple of methods of repotting Cephalotus, and this method is pretty extreme. So if you would like a simpler method, what you would do is to get a bigger pot and then repot everything with the existing media included. So this method that we're doing is to wash off all the media, which is something that Cephalotus do not like, and to remove any excess moss that are on the Cephalotus. So one of two things that we're doing here is to check for any pests and also to check the progress of the roots. And so this process takes a while, so we're just cleaning it, washing it, changing the water, and then repeating a step over and over again. So we're almost done removing all the media, which is actually peat moss, and now we're going to clean all the moss off. So here you can see that there are some moss growing on the plant. Although there may be no correlation to the moss affecting the growth of the plant, but sometimes you do see some decline when there is an excess in the moss. So here we are using our hands to remove the moss, but later you'll see that we're using a tweezer to remove the finer details. So this step is propagation, and what we're doing is to gently nudge the roots. This plant has already split itself and there are actually multiple growth points, so there wasn't a need to cut any of the roots off. So just apply moderate pressure, and you don't want to be too forceful or you'll end up breaking the roots. So gently pulling it apart, and then here you can see that it's stuck between two pitches, another slight tug, and it does the trick. We're almost done with the cleaning, and at this stage you can see the water being clearer and clearer. So now we'll repot them. Here we're using 50-50 of peat and sand, but we first have to hydrate the media first. The repotting process is making an indentation into the media before making a hole. So here we are making the hole. Inserting the roots, and then gently pushing the media in so that the roots and the media are in contact. Once done, do a quick clean of the pots and then place it back in the grow area. And this is taken a day after repotting. 9 days later, you can see some yellowing on the plants, which shows typical signs of repotting stress. So if given the optimal conditions for growth, the plant should just bounce back. So do let us know in the comment section below how your first repotting went and what are your go-to methods now for reducing the repotting shock. We would love to hear about it.